Hi, Peter Charles here. And a while back I saw a video where a fellow had a cheap budget lens and he was using it to evaluate a Fujifilm X-H2 with its 40 megapixel sensor. And I thought, that'll never work. But then it occurred to me, I wonder how this sensor would work with my Voigtländer lenses. So I ran a test. Let's check it out. Okay, I took a picture of my bookcase, which I'll put up in a few minutes, using the X-H2 and my 16-55 F2.8 Mark II lens. And it was set to f8 and it was set at 50 millimeters. So duplicate what I would get from the 50 millimeter Voigtländer lens. So I took some test shots with this. I then put the Voigtländer 50 millimeter lens on here, again set at f8. Took the same shot to get the results. And I might add, I used the self-timer to make sure there's no camera shake. And then I took the 50 millimeter lens and I put it on my X Pro 3, which has a 26 megapixel sensor. So let's go look at the results and see how I did with these three choices. Okay, here's our test subject, and we're going to concentrate on that circle F on the yellow book. The first one is done with the 40 megapixel X-H2 and the 16-55 millimeter f2.8, and as you can see, the results are very sharp. Now we'll put the 50 millimeter Voigtländer on the X-H2 with the 40 megapixel sensor, and as you can see, the results are pretty mushy. Now we're going to mount the 50 millimeter Voigtländer on my X Pro 3 with its 26 megapixel sensor, and as you can see, the results are quite sharp. So the lens is sharp. The problem is mating that lens with a 40 megapixel sensor. The 50 millimeter is a sharp lens. There's nothing wrong with it. On the 26 megapixel X Pro 3 sensor, it worked just fine. It's nice and sharp, no problems, no arguments. But on the X-H2, it was mush. However, the 16-55 f2.8 had no problem produce beautiful results. So this goes to prove that if you use lenses that cannot resolve the 40 megapixel sensor, you're going to get mushy results, and it's not the fault of the sensor and it's not the fault of the camera. You need to make sure you're using the right lens. I mean, even in Fujifilm world, this old 18-135 zoom will not resolve the 40 megapixel sensor. Fujifilm actually has a list of the lenses that you should be using with the 40 megapixel sensor. So if you have the X-H2, the X-T5, the X-T50, the new X-E5, they all have the 40 megapixel sensor. Forget about the Voigtländers or any other glass. Only use the recommended Fujifilm lenses, because I don't think you'll be happy with results. I mean, sure, there might be a lens out there somewhere that'll resolve that 40 megapixel sensor, but are you going to take a chance? Seriously, you're going to spend a lot of money? You know, some of these lenses are over $1,000, and you're going to spend that kind of money and then find out it won't resolve the 40 megapixel sensor? I play it safe, frankly, and keep the Fujifilm 26 megapixel sensor for those other lenses like the Voigtländers. As I say, you can see by the results on the 26 megapixel sensor, it was fine. No problems at all. So, you know, use the lens on a camera where it'll work well, 26 and below. If you go to 40, well, you're asking for mushy results. So keep that in mind. Cheers.